Yes, so gbogbo ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ justice from bad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí náà? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà? Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice from bad kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Mr. Yomi Fabiyi má ti gbá ìdílé Aloba. Ó má ti gbá wọn ní message. Ó ti fi wọ́n ní message ránṣẹ́ sí wọn o. Mr. Yomi Fabiyi ó ti gbá ìdílé Aloba ní wọ́n ní message. Látorí bàbá Mohbad, ìyá Mohbad, blessing, àdúrà. Ó ń jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn pé by the time tó bá máa realize nǹkan tí òun ṣe fún wọn, wọn ò ní lè forgive ara wọn. Wọ́n á wá forgiveness yẹn tì, wọn ò ní rí. But ẹ bá jẹ́ kó dàbí pé bóyá ẹnu mi lẹ ti máa gbọ́. Àwọn Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹnu oníkan láti ń gbọ́ pọ̀hùn, ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti ń gbọ́ pé mo ta. But ọ̀rọ̀ justice from bad, very soon ẹ̀kọ́ máa tó fojú múmu wọn. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu Mr. Yomi Fabiyi fún ara wọn.
Them from distrusting me or not understanding me fully, but the day all of them, àti bàbá Mohbad o, àti ìyá Mohbad o, àti àdúrà o, àti the day they all understand what I stand for fully, it's going to take them many years before their conscience will forgive them. Before they realize, because they will feel like, what have we done? It's going to take them many years before they heal. Because I'm not, none of them is close to it. Nonsense. The only reason why all this nonsense is happening is because there was no fund for them, and I have to rely on the same public that we are fighting. If not because of that nonsense, what will bring me to any level of all this? I will do my things seamlessly, support the guy with my own name and everything, and I'm off to the next victim to assist. Mohbad is not the first person I'm advocating for. So they're just making a mess and looking for no support. Don't put me in the league of Awashi Fracas and a group by because me only does it not here. It's a serious thing, and I want to develop. I want the NGO to expand so that I can be a voice for so many people. The same people that gave me voice, I want to return it back. Is that too difficult to do?
I don't know.
People that are buying my movie, streaming our movie. You know, she act on DVD. I started in the days of VHS.
Yeah.
We'll get to DVD, VCD. Now it's YouTube and you say whatever, cinema. So people that have been nurturing somebody to that stage, over 20-something years in the industry, I want to start giving back. That's my choice. So they are mistaking it for a different thing. Linking me, people are sponsoring. What kind of nonsense is that rubbish? Sponsor me to go and do what? So you're calling my coffee, an artist like myself will give me money, and I'll be going to zone 2 like as if I'm going to my house. I'll be traveling from Abeokuta. Which actor will give me? Which artist? Because artist is not married. To my son, mama, it's mobile life. To marry, to my son, it's mobile life today.
Industry.
I respect people that are there ahead of me that have more popular than me, but I have my own popularity with nobody's name. Yomi Fabiyi is Yomi Fabiyi. I want to bragging rights. You know me, Baba Suyinka Kodri Ogo.
Yeah.
No more, no less.
Yeah. I want to brought you up money.
Only bragging rights. We nurtured him.
I want to brought you up
we imparted. So what are we talking about? So don't worry. Whatever she's going to, I don't want to make much. Or whatever she has done, we are processing it. But leave her for now. You understand? Let's leave her for now because there's no dignity fighting whoever on the floor, like I said. But it doesn't mean that we might not go back to it and address that if and when necessary. Because just 2 weeks to the next case. So we're going to be having our summit and then we'll go to court. So I have many things on my table. The summit and the symposium. So sorry. So is it because of the baby? That is why you are not touching that area. No. I said that when they want to, she's getting some shield. You understand? And the kind of onslaught to pick her and bring her in. If you're going to go that, it has to be properly planned. except the police have now gotten to a stage that this particular thing that we have here, it is mandatory that this person comes in, no matter what she does. You understand what I'm saying? That means what is meant to come through her, they've now gotten it directly from somewhere else, and it's a clear-cut case. I don't want to go too deep, Sha.
Don't go deep.
Please, sir, thank you very much, sir. You have tried so that you don't say much, so you don't say the things that you are not supposed to say.
So,
God bless you so much, sir.
They've invited her. Something is from that side of the need. Or it's not danger will come somewhere else. The deed has been done. So no matter how far they run, they will wait. Police will tell you, okay, keep running. Keep avoiding us. It's going to wait for you here. It's Shiko like this. So, do you know how many days Adura was running? This other Damola was running. If you know how much was spent, to pick Damola, they spent 6 days in Epokia. And before they traced him back to Aja, we couldn't find him. His house, and there was surveillance on him on there too, until they went to pick him up again at their court. So to them, they would think nothing will happen, that they are immune, and he kept ignoring invitation. A warrant was on him. How many of you did I even mention that a warrant was on Damola? I only told you it's not only Wunmi that has warrants. I don't want to tell you the names of people that have warrants already. So when they start picking them, just be praying along with me and be watching. When it is time, I will be giving updates. When this one is picked, one of them, final one may come out soon. So it's not only those ones. You understand? There was no time I came out to see out and say, oh, Damola, there's a warrant on him. Do you know how much we mobilized for that too? And then we have it. So when we went to court to pick him, did you see any court challenge us? Even the court we went to, they said everybody will come out because they know it was properly done. The nearest police station, they saw all the documents. So it's seamless. I mean, it's so about to one under radar. But it's a big work to pick them because all of them are evading invitation. But we'll get to them.
Amen. So I want to say thank you so much. You have really tried, and I know you're working, and God will bless you. Please, amen. I just want to give my little submission that please you should mind what you're saying outside now, because a lot of people, they are following you to get information from you to do one or two things. Some people are recording this and they want to find out some one or two things. So I know you are talking with sense, so you don't want to say a lot of things, so I understand. So I just want to say thank you and just mind what you're saying. Don't give out too much information outside. Work with your team, work with them. I know you are working. People that we have been working with ever since they are working underground, we are not seeing anything. You came and you did something, we saw progress and things move forward. I want to say thank you very much, and we all, Justice for Mohbad, we appreciate you. God will keep on blessing you. We'll give you more wisdom and more strength. Good luck, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Would that be all for now? Do you have any other questions?
Mr. Yomi, we really appreciate you. Even though some of them are here recording, they are streaming.
What about the 3 seconds video? Because according to Africa TV, he said that they have deleted the.
Now they are not personal character. It's what they are saying to his mouth. He's coming. He's an agent. They are using that to deceive everybody. But don't worry. You understand? It has a source, and even the people that put it on their phone, they cannot touch the source. When it is time, it will be out and it will be used. So don't worry. It's not something that you just click your fingers and it come out. So we are all in it. But that one that is talking nonsense, that one is just a terrible criminal. He's running a fake NGO. It's a law. offense, and he has been collecting money in the name of that NGO that does not exist, that has no approval from the government. So he has been even going to court with the same name of writing to the commissioner of police with the same name of unregistered NGO, name of to the AIG, instructing them with fake NGO. But at the end of the day, he doesn't know that things like this will always backfire. That's why I say using things that are fake will still come back to haunt you, because one thing will lead to another. They will investigate, and they will realize that you are not actually allowed to do what you're doing. Just like the fake nurse that went to treat Mohbad.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to do it. You will destroy things that are legitimate. This one should be patient. Why are you in a hurry? If you want to have an NGO, follow the due process. This is incorporated trustees, for crying out loud. Get things working, let them approve you and give you the power. Even after you finish your CAC, you will go for EFCC screening. That EFCC screening is even tougher than CAC registration. And without the SCOM, you cannot open any bank. Any bank that open account for you without the SCOM stuff, you are going down for it. They won't even open it. Not to talk of any bank that open it. And these people will be coming out here to be shouting nonsense, and the time they say my own NGO is not clinical, everybody just acting like terrible, arrogant with ignorance.
Arrogance is ignorant.
Hi, Mr. Yomi. Sorry, good evening. I have one. There's a warrant arrest on me, and I'm nowhere to be found. If my lawyer is found anywhere, can he be forced to bring me in? Can my lawyer be forced to go get me wherever I am? Because I'm sure wherever I am, my lawyer should have my current address.
No, that's not appropriate. The only time your lawyer can be forced to present you is if you have been placed under arrest before, or you have been invited for an investigation, and when they were going to grant you bail, your lawyer stood in for you. So if your lawyer stood in for you as your bail bond or part of your bail conditions, that I promise to provide this person, and failure to do so, I can be, taken in place or taken by whatever means to provide the person. So it's always go by bond. So your lawyer will sign and say, if I don't present this person when the police need him or her, if I can be forced to pay 1,500,000 naira. So before you pay the money, police will first pick you up. They will ask for the person you collect as bail. If you don't provide, you pay the 500,000, and they will still make sure they will make you look around you to say, present the person. Failure to do so will still land you to trouble. In the case whereby he's just a lawyer, as in the person has not got to stand for you for bail, they cannot force the lawyer to go and present you. They can only say, we need your client. And it's okay, I'll pass the information. The lawyer can protect you, or can say, hey, but no lawyer will ask you to evade police invitation. A good lawyer will tell you, go and respond to it.
Because the reason why I was asking, because I was wondering why Womi's lawyer wasn't at the Corona on Friday. So I was thinking maybe it's something that they foresee. They thought, maybe an arrest or maybe police officer will come there. That's why I just said let me ask. As you said, it's not possible, then it's fine.
No, they can't pick the lawyer, but if the lawyer is going to be there with her, they might know certainly that. The truth of the matter is she's not bigger than the law.
Of course,
and
it's
they
not
know
bigger than
for
the
sure
law.
that she has been invited. And it is not in the place to tell the police that, the case is going on somewhere, you cannot invite my client. Nothing of such.
Yeah.
So they are waiting, but she will still come. I'll be the one to announce to you that she's in police. She will walk in there by herself. Well, let me be honest with you. Okay. Because I don't like it disgracing.
Yeah. Gbogbo yín ṣe ti gbọ́ ohùn látẹnu Mr. Yomi. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ń fún wa ní assurance yìí pé bí Wùnmí fẹ́ bí Wùnmí kọ̀ wọ́n máa arrest ẹ̀. Ó ní bóun tiẹ̀ ṣe ń wò gan, ó ní láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sọ́sẹ̀ kan àbọ̀ ayes ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sígbà táwa yìí Wùnmí máa be arrest. So gbogbo ẹ̀ lólùfẹ́ justice somebody ẹ jẹ́ ká fọkàn balẹ̀. Èmi mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀kọ́ ti ń fojú mọ́mọ́ hàn nígbà tó ti lè gbé àdúrà tó gbé Dàmọ́lá kódà tó tún gbé King White ajá bingo tó tún ṣọ́ wọn tó tún gbé gbogbo wọn pọ̀ ọgbẹ́ mo ti mọ̀ pé àánú wọ́n máa gbé Wùnmí náà wọ́n sì ń kì lọ́wọ́ ni kò tí ì kàn èmi mọ̀ wípé àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ òun náà ni ò tí ì fẹ́ jẹ́ kán gbé but no matter what maybe kò sẹ́ni tó ju òfin lọ kò sẹ́ni tó ju òfin lọ àfi tí àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ táwọn náà bá fẹ́ go down pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ẹ wo bí ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ mi ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn tí wọn mọ bí tí ọ̀rọ̀ Mr. Yomi gbédé ẹ jẹ́ kán jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ kán jẹ gbádùn ẹ̀ bá a ṣe máa ń sọ fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe ó yá ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV kí o gbádùn máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí information tí mo gbọ́ lẹ́nu Mr. Yomi nìyẹn tí mo ní kí n sáré wá fi tó ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ mi létí pé ẹ gbọ́ o Mr. Yomi ti send a strong warning sí ìdílé Aloba pé the way bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe fóun ojú tó fi ń wo òun bí wọ́n ṣe ka iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ òun kún a time will come and the time is very soon tí wọ́n máa find it difficult láti forgive ara wọn pé àṣé iṣẹ́ ni Mr. Yomi ń ṣe táwọn dẹ̀ ń fojú commonize ẹ̀ táwọn ò dẹ̀ gbóríyìn fún láti jọ́njọ́ yìí àwọn á nílé forgive ara wọn mọ́ ẹ ló fẹ́ mi ó yá ẹ bá mi share kẹ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe sí ilé Global TV mo tún padà bọ̀ tí n bá tún rí any information tí mo rí pé ó máa wúlò fún ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ mi mo tún mú bọ̀ wá fún yín ire o.